So how do you manage a criticism? Because like every day we usually face a lot of critics from different people, and I'm sure that even when you give your 100% output, there will be people who criticize you. And at that point of time, sometimes we usually feel that depressed feeling that is usually occurs. But how to manage it as a student? So
That's an awesome question, Raghunandanji. See, basically what happens is that I think this is not only for you or for UG students, or I think everybody, because I have uh, faced the similar questions. When I do a presentation or when I do a work, when I give my 100%, I'm getting scolding from my teachers. This is the word from my students from school. Then I get it from UG students, from PG students, from doctors, because they get criticisms from associate professors and additional professors. Basically, somewhere I feel that is that when you get a criticism, okay, two things that you should be always mindful of. One thing is that is it a valid criticism? Second thing, it should be that is that criticism anywhere helping you? First of all, why I say is it a valid criticism is because most of the times, nearly when 60 to 70%, people criticize because they are jealous of you. People criticize because they try to prove that they have a point, they know more than you. They feel that what you're doing is not important. So when you feel that, okay, they are doing a criticism which is not valid, I think mindfully not giving importance to it, or mindfully not, when you feel that yes, it's somewhat like valid criticism, you need to just concentrate on whether it is a constructive criticism. Imagine that I am sitting in a seminar, okay. I didn't prepare for the seminar. I didn't prepare. I do not know what the topic is, and if all of my students are keep on answering, they're like rapid fire answers are happening there. One of my professors or one of my seniors saying that Vivekananda, you're fit for nothing. Everybody's doing it. I think it's like you're out of the you're being the last in the batch. You are not worthy. You did all the presentations good, but today you didn't do it well. When you see that, is it a constructive criticism? No. There is another friend who is saying that there is nothing to worry about now, but still they have proved the point. You have not proved the point. You have lost this seminar. It's okay, but please work on it. Is it a constructive criticism? Somewhere it is. An ideal constructive criticism is that seeing the positive in everything. What you have done is not right today, but there is still scope. Why don't you look into it? When you have such constructive criticisms, please give more importance to it. Definitely, when there is a constructive criticism, there is a more chance it will be a valid criticism. And when you just follow it, you will be able to do a positive change. You will be able to produce actions which will help you in your career. But when you keep on concentrating on a lot of invalid criticisms or criticisms which is not constructive, naturally you feel more exhausted, you feel more dull, you feel that like what to say, am I doing things in a right way? Or like see, basically you all like Abdul Kalam sir, right? Abdul Kalam sir says that every student, let it be Vivekanandan or Abhirami or Raghunandan or Arjun, whatever it is, every student wants to be different. Every student wants to do things in a very different way. We don't like to be like the crowd, okay? But what happens is that our surrounding, our environment, sorry to say this, but some of our teachers also like to make us to be like everybody else. But it is us to take it or not, or take the criticism or not, so that what is running in my mind or what is my goal. When you keep on, as Abdul Kalam sir says, that when you have big dreams is nothing but you need to be a billionaire or something. But when you have a very big dream, naturally small criticisms or small what is say deficiencies will not mind a lot to you. For example, I have 1 lakh in my account. If I lose 10 rupees and 20 rupees today, it will not be a very big thing to me. But if I have just 50 rupees and I lose 30 rupees, I'll be keep on worried about it. Similarly, when you have a very big dream, naturally small criticisms will not disrupt your path towards your goal. Thank you.